ENG Jewelers.
In the Delhi liquor policy scam case, BRS leader K. Kavita was presented in the Rouse Avenue court today, where Special Judge Kaveri Baveja extended her ED remand until March 26th. The ED stated during the hearing that they need to confront Kavita with the statements she provided and disclosed her role in plotting a bribery scheme of 100 crores. The ED informed the court that her mobile phone was examined, revealing data deletion during the investigation. The ED requested the court for a 5-day extension for questioning Kavita. The court granted a 3-day extension, scheduling her next appearance for March 26 at 11 a.m. Kavita was initially sent to 7 days of ED custody, which was ending today. Former Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren has challenged the High Court's decision in the Supreme Court. The High Court had dismissed his plea to participate in the Assembly session. The Supreme Court will hear his special leave petition on April 1st. Soren seeks permission to attend upcoming Assembly session. He has been in Ranchi's Birsa Munda Central Jail since January 31st in a money laundering case. Previously, his plea to participate in the Jharkhand Assembly's budget session was rejected by the Ranchi PMAL court and later by the High Court. Now he has approached the Supreme Court. Sukesh Chandrasekhar appeared in Delhi's Rouse Avenue court today, claiming to expose Arvind Kejriwal and his team to the media. Chandrasekhar stated in court that he would become a government witness against Kejriwal and his team. He mentioned conversation with BRS leader K. Kavita regarding the Delhi liquor policy scam, indicating his willingness to provide these chats to the ED. Chandrasekhar asserted his intent to expose Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi liquor policy scam.
I will expose Mr. Kejriwal completely. I will become an approver against him. I have already released the chats between me and K. Kavita. You can get it and
Mumbai police achieved a significant breakthrough by extraditing notorious gangster Prasad Pujari, who had been on the run for years from China to India. Pujari was presented before the special MCOCA court in Mumbai today after being brought to Mumbai by the crime branch team late last night. Wanted by Mumbai police for various serious crimes including murder, extortion and kidnapping, Pujari was a close aide of gangster Kumar Pillai. He had orchestrated a deadly attack on a Shiv Sena leader few years ago. Pujari had been evading Indian authorities since 2005, but last year, with the help of Interpol, he was apprehended in Hong Kong. Mumbai police successfully coordinated his deportation from China, marking a major success in their efforts. In 2020, Mumbai police's crime branch had also arrested Pujari's mother, Indra Vitthal Pujari, in a case related to forced extortion. Elvish Yadav has been granted bail by the Gurugram court in the snake venom case. Gurugram police presented Elvish Yadav before District Magistrate Akshay Kumar's court in Gurugram after registering a statement where he was granted bail. Elvish Yadav, accused in the case of buying and selling snake venom, had been in jail for the past 5 days. After getting bail from Noida court yesterday, Haryana police had taken him into custody for questioning in the assault case. Today, he was granted bail in the assault case by the Gurugram court.